Hey guys, welcome to Phone Brother. Here we have the latest Unihertz Ticktock, the latest product from Unihertz, a very special for brand, smartphone brand. They just focus on some special phones like the Atom, Pocket, and this time we have the TikTok. Sometimes they do small, very small smartphones like Atom and J phone. Also, they will do some Titan. It's very similar to the BlackBerry. So normally they focus on very special phones, and they provide a very special choice for the smartphone fans. And here today we have the Unihertz, the latest Unihertz TikTok. Is a dual screen smartphone. It's a Rugged dual screen smartphone for Unihertz. And today we will have a very quick and simple unboxing video for all of the fans. And okay, let's see what's inside the box and what the smartphone really looks like. First we see the box. They use the classical black, the white, the pure white design box. It's very simple. And here they use the Unihertz, the model of the smartphone. Here is the brand Unihertz, and it's purely white design, very simple design. Okay, so let's unbox this and let's see what's inside the box. Okay, here is it's what's inside the box. Smartphone. Okay, this is package. It's for the, I think it's for the user manual and the warranty card. Yes, here. Let's see, pin, screen protector, pin card, instructions of the smartphone, Unihertz.com. And you can contact them at service@unihertz.com. It's the instructions, user manual, different languages. Okay, let's put here. Okay, this is the warranty card and the after-sale service policy. You can contact them at the hotline and the website. Okay, this is a small package. Okay, here. Okay, after at the bottom of this small package, we can see the cable. Okay, it's a Type-C cable and the charger. Okay, Unihertz charger is 100 to 240 watt, 50 and 60 hertz. Input, output, 5 watt, 3 amp. Okay, it's not a fast charger. Okay, so let's put the accessories aside. Let's see the appearance of the smartphone. Okay, so here is the smartphone. Whoa, my hand is actually it's not big, but I will say the smartphone is not small. Here is the smartphone. Okay, I think the dual screen design and the dual cameras, first one, second one. Here is the second screen, and here is the main screen, the front screen, and they use the punch hole camera. See, I think they cover the case. smartphone. Okay, let's take off the case of the smartphone. Yes, there's a case here. Let's take off the case. Let's see. Okay, so this is finally, this is the real appearance of the smartphone. The size is for me, the size is a bit bigger, but the width of the smartphone is acceptable, not too thick. Okay, you can hand it. Okay, very comfortably. Here, I think here is the power button, volume up, volume down. Here is the customized button to control the second screen. So they use the red color for the customized button. And here, okay, the camera zoom, two cameras, and two color LED flash, second screen. And the total design is special design. It's here, angle, here, another angle. So this looks like very special. You got it. Okay, let's turn on the smartphone. Let's see the Unihertz powered by Android. Case. Well, I think the case can really protect the smartphone, even though it's a rugged device. Okay, here we can choose the language. Choose the language here. English, United States. Next. Skip. Your device is released. Okay, now we can see the final appearance, final interface of the Unihertz Ticktock. Let's see how to. Okay, after I turn on the smartphone, I can see the second screen is also on. Okay. Here you can see, let's peel off this. Okay, you can slide it to choose canvas, camera, watch, music. Okay, here press it. It's off. Turn on. Okay, so I can touch it, press it. It will activate the second camera. Okay, very easy to use second screen. Okay, so okay, take a picture. Okay, so we see the screen. Let's turn on the smartphone. It is a 6.3 FHD plus screen, and it uses the IPS screen. And here we have the punch hole camera, front camera, and it also have two rear camera. The front camera is 8 megapixel, and the main rear camera is full 8 megapixel, and another one is 8 megapixel. Okay, here they use a very big battery, stout and big battery, and the smartphone support 30 watt charging. Here, two customized buttons, one for the 6 screen and one for the PTT push to talk function, because it also supports push to talk function. Okay, for me, I think it's not a bad choice, because for me the smartphone is a bit big, and my hand is not big, it's small, so when I hold it, it feels not so easy to use my one hand to control the old smartphone. But I think for the big guys, it's really nice, and because first the design is totally different than other smartphones. Also, it's a big battery, so it's very good choice for your for use it as your backup smartphone. And also the unique design, the dual screen design here, you can use it as a very attractive. It will attractive. People when you see it, it will attract the other guys airborne. Yes, they will talk about it. So besides the function, it also can give you more attractive things. Yeah. Okay, so this is a very simple and quick unboxing and review video. Thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned for more interesting and cool gadgets from browser. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.